Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add effects on Soundtrap. So here's a detailed guide on how to add effects to your audio tracks using Soundtrap. The first thing you'd like to do is to open your browser and navigate to the Soundtrap web app and log in using your credentials. On the home page, locate the project section in the middle. Open an existing project by clicking on the studio button right next to it, or click on Enter Studio to start a new project. So this is it. I'm just going to click the studio and it's going to take me right into the studio settings. So once you get into the studio, go ahead and click on your existing track. And if you're starting a new project, just go ahead and click on add new track in the studio to add any track type, either voice or microphones, guitar or keyboard. All right, and if you're adding effects to an existing track, just go ahead and click on the track to select it. So this is an existing track and I'm going to click on it to highlight it. Then click on the edit option right here or in the top left corner of the screen. So click edit, and once you click edit, it's going to take you here to effects, so you can open the effects. Now we have a couple of effects added to this track: visual EQ, we have vocal preamp, we have reverb, and we have the equalizer. So the effect panel will display a list of available audio effects for the selected track. Now in the effects panel, go ahead and click on this plus, which is add effect, to open the effects library and choose from a variety of effects such as reverb, compressor, equalizer, delay, and distortion. So if you're using reverb has already been added, but if it has not been added, click on the search bar and click on reverb and just drag and drop. So reverb adds space and depth to the sound. Then click on compressor. Just select any of these compressors, and drag and drop. So let's say this is so that's dynamic compressor. Then compressor balances dynamic range. Then equalizer, which is here, adjust frequencies to enhance specific sound. Then also add delay. Look for delay. Delay creates echo effect. So this is delay, drag and drop. Then distortion adds a gritty texture to the audio. Let's look for distortion. So all of this distortion, so this fuzz, electric guitar amp, and just any of this distortion, and just drag and drop. Now after adding an effect, click on it in the effects panel to open its settings. Then, or you can just work on the sliders from here. Now adjust sliders or knobs, for example intensity, frequency, or gain, to achieve the desired sound. Then once you're done adjusting, just play the track by using the play button at the bottom to preview changes in real time. You can add multiple effects to a single track by repeating the process above. Then arrange the effects in a desired order, as the order can influence the final sound. So to remove an effect, just click on the X icon that is next to it in the effects panel. And to disable an effect temporarily, just toggle on or off the switch without deleting it. So just go ahead and toggle off the switch, and that's just it. After that, click on file in the top left corner and click on save to save your project with the added effect. To also download the edited track, just click on export in the top right corner and choose your preferred file format and export the project. So that's it. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.